C&J Sports Cards back with another box break of 2016 Spectra football. High-end product, 4 autographs and 7 mem cards per box. And you can pause the video on this. Hold on. I don't know if you can see that, but no, it's too small to read. Fuck it. But we got 2 NFL Player of the Day packs. I guess my card shop guy was just giving them out if you bought a box, so let's break them. And he said you can get autographs out of these, so we'll try and hit one. And the first card, Brandon Marshall. Oh, and Drew Brees. 2 cards, I guess, per pack on these ones. Nothing special, but free pack's a free pack, right? And the next one. Bullshit. Alright, here we go. Jarvis Landry and Allen Robinson. So, are these numbered? No. Nothing special on those ones. But let's get into the high product. Spectra. Never actually opened Spectra before, but I've seen breaks on YouTube and they are nasty. Hopefully for that what's it called? I'm drawing a blank. Superfractors, that's what they're called. Alright. So, what pack are we going to start with? We'll go right to left. Here we go. First pack of Spectra. Oh my god. Right out of the gate. Superfractor. Unbelievable. A Nike swoosh. Wow. Are you kidding me? Devontae Adams, Superfractor. 1 of 1, folks. Unreal. Unreal. Hold that. And we got a special guest today, Gus Bus. Oh, look at this card. Eagles, Wendell Smallwood. 4-color patch. Autograph. Never even heard of this guy before. Oh, and this one's numbered. Focus. 170 out of 199. Sick card. Wow. Next card up is a jersey relic of Jordan Cameron. And that's pretty sick. And that is numbered 77 out of 199. Ooh, here's a good looking card. Peyton Manning. Purple on the Colts. Is this low number? Oh, it's low numbered. 9 of 10. Wow. What a pack. What a pack. Okay, we'll go this way now. I can't believe we just got a Superfractor. That's sick. So here we go, next pack. And we got a Tim Brown inscribed number. And that is 32 out of 49. Focus. Tim Brown for the Raiders. Little Hall of Fame mojo right there. We got, who's this? Alan Hearns. Sunday Spectacle. The jersey. And that is 46 out of 99 for the Jaguars. Uh-oh. Elliott jersey. Nice. Monumental memorabilia. And that is 46 out of 199. And the last card is a Marshall Faulk. Sick base. 59 out of 99. Sick card. 2 more packs to go. Hopefully hit something, maybe another Superfractor, but that is just sick. Wow. Okay. Oh, we got some Chief Mojo. Alex Smith, vested veteran. Wow. And they got the jersey there. That's sick. 7 out of 49 for the Chiefs. That's a PC hit. 7 out of 49 for the Chiefs. That's a PC hit. 7 out of 49 for the Chiefs. That's a PC hit. 7 out of 49 for the Chiefs. That's a PC hit. 7 out of 49 for the Chiefs. That's a PC hit. 7 out of 49 for the Chiefs. That's a PC hit. 7 out of 49 for the Chiefs. That's a PC hit. 7 out of 49 for the Chiefs. That's a PC hit. 7 out of 49 for the Chiefs. That's a PC hit. 7 out of 49 for the Chiefs. That's a PC hit. 7 out of 49 for the Chiefs. That's a PC hit. 7 out of 49 for the Chiefs. That's a PC hit. 7 out of 49 for the Chiefs. That's a PC hit. 7 out of 49 for the Chiefs. That's a PC hit. 7 out of 49 for the Chiefs. That's a PC hit. 7 out of 49 for the Chiefs. That's a PC hit. 7 out of 49 for the Chiefs. That's a PC hit. 7 out of 49 for the Nice. Who's coming up next? Devontae Freeman jersey card. And that is numbered 171 out of 199. And we got a little Carson Wentz action. Jersey card, though. Wish it was autographed. But that's a sickling card. Little bubbles. Monumental Materials. Oh, Immense Materials, my bad. And that is 33 out of 99. The focus there. And we got a Darius Jackson rookie card. 49 out of 60. So last pack. Can we get something, another banger out of this one? And here's the die cut. Ooh, Rob Gronkowski. Rob Gronkowski die cut. And I think this is... Oh, first one stamped. 1 out of 35. Rob Gronkowski. And we got a jersey card coming up. Kenyon Drake for the Miami Dolphins. Rising rookie. And this one is 36 out of 199. Oh, we got a sick looking patch card coming up. Tyler Boyd for the Bengals. 3-color patch and an autograph. And that one is 55 out of 99. And the last card, Josh Norman base. And that is 34 out of 99. So, wow, what a break. Let's recap real quick. Superfractor 101 Nike swoosh, Devontae Adams. Tyler Boyd, 3-color patch. We got vested veteran Alex Smith for the Chiefs. And then we got a Wendell Smallwood for that 4-color patch? 4-color patch. And Tim Brown for the Raiders. Where do I put it? And and the Peyton Manning low numbered out of 10, I believe. So 9 out of 10, yep. So what a break. Spectra 2016 doesn't disappoint me for my first box. So hope you guys enjoyed. And maybe I have to go buy myself another box. It's expensive, but it's worth it, I guess. 1 of 1. I just can't believe that one. Take a look at that one again, folks. 1 of 1. Devontae Adams Nike swoosh. Unbelievable. This is CNJ Sports Card saying, I don't know, have a good day, and please subscribe for more videos to come in the future. And, yep, see you guys in the next video.